What's up, gangsters? Welcome to Chi-Town, Jamaica, man. Just kidding, we're in Aubry and Benny's driveway still. We slept in, guys. We missed the boat.
We had set an alarm.
The boat left. We had set the alarm at 6 a.m. and it's now 9:30. And we had like a breakthrough moment because we're like, you know what? I hate the sound of our alarm. So we changed it to like a really cool, relaxing beat. And then I was also like, why do we set the alarm so loud? Like, we had it so loud. And so I cranked it right down. And I also had it on like a mode where it would like start really quiet and then just get really loud. And I didn't even hear it at all.
Yeah, it's so funny because both of us last night were like, there's no way we won't hear that. Like, of course we'll wake up. Yeah. And it's 3 hours later.
Didn't hear it at all. So we're gonna hit the road. And are we still gonna get the coffee shop?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Yeah, we're planning on like getting up just in time for this coffee shop to open.
It's been open for a couple hours.
Yeah, it's definitely open.
Buddy usually snuggles away while I steer the van into the
It's my favorite part of the day when Buddy leaves the bed and I get the whole thing for like just a couple of extra minutes.
Hours.
Eamon's having a poops-capade. Bye, buddy. Have a good poo. That is definitely a reality for us. As you know, we do not have a toilet in our van. So there are mornings when you wake up and you just gotta go. So basically, we woke up, Eamon got in the driver's seat and drove us to the cafe. And right away, he needed to go. Van life truths. Like you've just been through war, too.
Yeah, man, that was horrible. The whole experience. I get these like poops-capades, you tell them?
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah, so like it's nothing to do with veganism too. Like it's been like that forever. Where it's like I've got like literally 2 minutes from when like the feeling comes on.
That's enough. TMI.
Yeah, and if anybody else got like a solution to the issue or
have a story to share to
fix,
just make you feel better.
Yeah, or just joins the poops-capade. Where did poops-capade come from?
Honestly, I don't know.
Hilarious word.
You should. The first time it ever happened, it felt like.
Where'd you put this last time? It was like really nice.
Like here?
Oh yeah, right there, dude. Yeah, the first time it ever happened?
The first time it ever happened.
Traveling.
Oh, that time. Okay, the time I think I called it a poops-capade. We were in Australia, and I think we were looking for apartments to live, and
we were right in the CBD.
We're right in the Central Business District.
On a tram.
On the tram. And Eamon looks at me, and it's one of those things that's so funny that you can't help but laugh, but you can see the terror in his eyes. Like, he looked terrified. He looks at me, he's like, I've gotta go. And I already knew by this point from traveling with him that meant like he really had to go. And so he like gets off at the next stop and he just is doing like one of these like back and forth.
Because it was in this area where it's like there's like it wasn't like really big skyscrapers, but there was like a casino.
Yes.
Like the back of the casino, not even the entrance, and then like a bunch of other like and it was like closed office hour time, right? Like
no,
otherwise it would have ran
office hours. It was like during the day.
Anyway, they were like really intimidating buildings. So you tell them where I actually went?
No, because you didn't go there. You were considering the dumpster.
Oh.
He was like, oh my god, I should go in the dumpster. Should I go in the dumpster? He's like pulling down his pants. I'm like, no, go to the casino.
Yeah,
and I pointed and you just booked it.
I booked it around the casino. I just made it.
It's so funny. Anyways.
I've always made it, like knock on wood. I've never like actually.
Well, except for the time in Malaysia, but that's a time for another story, guys.
We gotta be on a better and a different level for me to tell you that story.
You guys need to know us a little better about that
put that on the internet.
Yeah. That hotel, anyways.
Okay, so I got a little taste of how cool this place is, so we're gonna do a slow-mo sequence.
I adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
Had kind of a crazy start to the day here. So we're just trying to get some fruit in. We didn't really have breakfast. The Google Maps is saying 12 hours and 24 minutes. We got a bit of a drive here.
Use the left 2 lanes to take exit 84B for I-40 west towards Memphis.
You just gotta get those antioxidants in you. You just got to. We're sitting in traffic in Memphis. How's the vlog going, buddy? We in Memphis, kids. Y'all ever been to Memphis?
Y'all never been.
It looks like a cool city. Apparently this is where Otis Redding is from. What's up, Otis? A flimsy handoff that you held for how many seconds? You guys said in the last video that you really enjoyed our little fight scene. Well, guess what? We're in another fight about...
It's so annoying, honestly. Why are you telling them that?
Beck dropped the camera and cracked the screen. She's quite upset about it.
No, I'm pissed at you because you were like, all I said was, anytime I say anything that you don't like, you're like pissed. As soon as I was like, you're doing all the talking, let me say something. You keep talking over me. You handed me it like this, held by the top bit. You weren't even holding it. And then of course, I couldn't grab it fast enough and it slipped out of my hand. And then you're like, oh, it's all your fault. Like, you're just like pissy. All day, you're pissy. All day. It's annoying.
Are you done?
And all I have to walk on eggshells. Like, I'm like, oh no, I have to make sure Buddy's okay. Like, it's annoying. It's super annoying. Look at that, no firearms allowed. Wow, we're in the States, huh?
Whoa.
Can we lock the car?
Yeah, are we cool now?
I don't know, are you cool?
I'm cool.
Are you gonna say you're sorry for A, hogging the vlog, and B,
cracking the screen?
cracking the screen?
Alright, I'll take the heat. Sorry, baby, I love you.
You're just saying that for the camera. You would never do that off camera.
I actually don't know where we're going.
What the fudge, man?
I thought it was this way. It's probably along here.
What's it called?
So here's lunch today in Memphis. Just at a little cafe. We really need to go grocery shopping because we're spending way too much money, but it's like a hummus sandwich with some quinoa. And we also got like a quinoa salad.
I don't know, you guys. It looks like we're daily vlogging right now. I was saying on my Insta stories, if you guys aren't following us on Instagram, by the way, you totally should. I will link them below. But yeah, I was saying on the Insta stories that it seems like we're daily vlogging right now, but I think once we meet up with Christian and Aubry, we'll have to all have a chat about how we're gonna structure content because we want to keep it really fresh and exciting for you guys, and obviously we're not gonna give you two perspectives of the same day. But we're hustlers, man. When we're not working on the tea business, it kind of feels like we might as well be vlogging and doing something productive. So for now, we're doing some daily vlogs. So I hope you guys check out those and let us know what you think. That's it. We're gonna just keep going south. Grapefruit sesh. Okay, we are cruising along the I-something-something. Not sure what we're on. And we were thinking it's time for a little snack. What would be better than some chocolate ice cream from Coco's? And I have to tell you that it's only 5 degrees outside, but because the sun is out, Eamon and I are both like chilling in
sunnies.
We're basically in sunnies and bikinis. We're so stoked on the sun. So are you cool with the chocolate one? Because I think I really liked that one. Shout out to Coco's. If you guys haven't watched our vlog from yesterday, go check it out. We went to their little shop. Oh, baby. So we're listening to the podcast Reply All right now, which Eamon really fell in love with on your trip from across Canada, driving solo. And this episode is all about Facebook, and is Facebook spying on you? Because honestly, I feel like it is.
100%.
So they're dissecting.
They're saying that they are.
No, they're saying that they aren't. That they have, like, Facebook denies that they're spying on you.
No, they don't. They're denying. We weren't listening, Bubs. They were denying the fact that they're listening to your microphone, but there are applications installed that are basically like taking notes of everything you do.
I know.
It's so like, even when you're on like you know, Amazon, there's like 30 to 40 different programs that are like basically like imagine personal shoppers in a mall being like, oh, he likes a hoodie. Oh, he likes the color blue. And just no. And then they can target using that. I just said, like, guys, think about how crazy it is that private companies are doing this. Imagine what the government knows about us.
I know. Have you guys ever had that? Third time I'm asking you. Have you guys ever had that scenario where you're out chatting with people and you're talking about something kind of random? Like the example they used was the guy was shopping and he yelled up to his partner, hey, can you grab some Red Bull? And then they got in the car, he goes to check his Facebook and he's got all these ads about the 4 new flavors of, damn, I can't get this out. 4 new flavors of, I can't, I'm so distracted.
Yellow.
Oh, guys, it's Aubry.
Hi.
You just interrupted our little vlog, bro. It's getting a little bit colder here in Arkansas. We gotta get some gas. Guys, I've never seen this before. Hitting us with ads as you fill the pump. Wow, I guess that's smart. That's really smart actually, because usually just standing there, you'd consume it quite a bit. Can I give you that back?
Damn, homie, we keep stopping and my bowl is going everywhere. I just wanted to show you guys.
You know what we need is like a little mount.
I know, because this is like not very effective and then I lose you. Oh, there you are. Hey, buddy.
You don't go celery first, do you?
Depends on the veggie tray. I normally would go like a bell pepper sweet, like with the peppers.
I used to go carrot first.
Oh, yeah.
Carrots are good. So standard. But can I have this thing where we're not like super fanatic about organic. Like obviously we'd like organic, but like we're not gonna pay the premium for it. But when it comes to baby carrots, you have to go organic. Because non-organic baby carrots, they taste like pesticide.
They taste like non-organic baby carrots.
I feel like celery too is kind of one of those things.
It's hit or miss, like you can get a really bad one.
Yeah.
Should we talk about our little argument earlier and how we survive van life when we get in arguments like that?
Sure. I know what you're gonna say.
What am I gonna say? Let's change up the angle so it's not boring. For the past 3 days now, it's very full on and it's very exhausting doing big drives like this. So obviously we get on each other's nerves. And I just think we should tell them how we survive that and like overcome it, because I think it's one of the best parts about our relationship.
Yeah, I think what it comes down to is we both really respect each other and we know that we love each other, but you know, at the end of the argument, we both know that like we're bigger than that argument.
Yeah.
So it's like, okay, are you over it yet?
Yeah.
And then you'll say like, no, I'm not over it. And I'm like, all right, cool, let's still fight. And then maybe you'll ask me, okay, are you over it? Or are you gonna apologize to me? You know, and then eventually we get to that point where it's like, okay, cool, we're both over it.
That didn't make it sound like we were that mature.
I think that sounded really mature.
Oh, okay. Well, the moral of the story is that to be a successful van life partner, what I think is important is to just love each other over anything else, and to, when you bicker, you're like, dude, that pissed me off, here's why. And the other person comes back and is like, no, you pissed me off, and then we're like, okay, let's drop it, and we genuinely never talk about it again. Like, not in a bad way, never talk about it again, but just are over it and move on, and it's all good.
Yeah, like today, for example, you broke the camera. I'm like, I'm not gonna bring that up again, but like
well, it sounds like you just brought it up again.
Well, you know that was you. Like, all the external factors combined.
Are you kidding me?
Bubs, all the external factors combined, like remove the entire situation, the argument. I passed it to you, and you
passed it to me?
No, it doesn't matter, but you had it.
This is showing us how immature we are.
Babe,
you're an idiot.
I just want to say that you had it in your possession for at least 3 full seconds.
No, I didn't.
And then it fell to the ground.
No, that's what it feels like to you, because it was slow-mo, like the G7X, GH5, whatever. No. You went like this, you were pissed, you handed it to me, and I had it literally by the
screen. Yeah.
It was popped out.
And you were just holding it for a minute,
and it was
then
just
it slipped
like,
out of your hand?
Not a minute, it was like...
How much more do you want to drive?
I don't know, let's go pee, clear our bowels, because I think it'll give us a clear mind. Okay, tons of you are always asking us, where do you go pee? And like, we just want to see your normal day and how you do it. And my response to everyone that's curious about where we pee is like, if you're on a road trip, where do you pee? You pee at rest stops, restaurants, things like that. So I am going pee at a rest stop. There are lots of like little pit stops that are just kind of like these huts. Well, not huts, proper structured buildings with bathrooms. Eamon said sometimes you can even find ones with showers, but I've never been to one of those.
No. These are like government rest areas. But like truck stops.
You want to go to the ladies'
place we were last night has showers you can pay for.
I figured you guys might be interested in checking out what these rest stops look like. And there's no one else in here, so. Just a bunch of toilets, not bad. There's toilet paper, you know? You make do. How was your pee, buddy?
Actually had a little poo.
Oh. I think you've talked a bit too much about that today. We've pulled up to what we thought was a truck stop, but is more just like a
Random parking lot.
Random parking. I think I'm tired. Clearly I can't speak. We are in Mount Pleasant, Texas. We are ready to go to bed. I'm gonna dump all of this dry shampoo, all natural, right on my head. I just swallowed some.
Remember the time you like left that on your head?
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my god, Bubs, I need to tell you something.
Yeah, okay.
It's time.
So guys, I have this thing where like I'm going gray and I'm really dark hair.
Oh, Bubba, this is my hoodie.
Don't worry, it's all natural. See, just no problem. I have abs of steel, so it just goes right up. Yeah, so anyways guys, I'm going gray, as you saw in the yesterday's vlog. And I always say to Eamon, like, I don't want to dye my hair. I don't really believe in like all that kind of stuff, and I never have. But when it gets to that point, I need you to tell me. And one day I went into the bathroom and I put in all this dry shampoo before bed. And I came out and I was just sitting there on the computer like finishing up some work, and Eamon goes, Beck, I have to tell you something. I'm like, what? And he's like, it's time. Just like our signal for it. It's time, you're really gray. And he was kind of freaking out because I had literally gone into the bathroom with like a couple straggles of gray hair and I came out completely gray. Anyways, this is day 4, no shower. Or day 3 only? I don't know. And I guess that's why I feel this need to dry shampoo it up. I want to show you how real van life is. I want to show you the real deal. Okay, guys? This is the real deal. This is grapefruit, tea, apple, just junk everywhere. And then my buddy just like totally kaputzed. Or do you just hate the light, or what's with the pillow over your face there?
Just kaputzed.
Yeah, you did a great job driving today. I love you. I love you.
You love me?
Wouldn't hurt to say it back there, buddy, especially after the day.
You love me?
Yeah. You want to sign off the vlog?
Yeah. That's all we got for you today. Make sure you like and subscribe. This was episode 2.
This was episode 3, boo-boo.
This was episode 3. We'll see you in episode 4. Beck was just asking about mukbangs. Apparently that's the new thing to do on YouTube.
And we love eating.
If y'all don't know what a mukbang is,
We're not sure we do either.
well, you've explained it to me as in you just sit there and eat a meal.
And then you chat with, like, you just have a chat and then they sit with you.
So we might do one with the Minimal Millennials.
Like a little catch up. Like we could catch up with each other over a meal. I think it'd be really cute. That
Yeah,
could
it'd be
go on the
super
channel.
cool. Alright, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, see ya, bye.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you